Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to experience classic Roblox. While the original 2007 servers are no longer online, dedicated communities have worked to bring that nostalgic feeling back. They achieve this through custom game clients and server emulators, allowing you to revisit those early days. It's important to always prioritize your online safety and only use well-established, trusted community projects for this purpose. We'll explore how to find and set up these experiences. To begin your journey, you'll want to search online for terms like Roblox 2007 Recreation or Old Roblox Client. Focus on finding active community forums, dedicated Discord servers, and fan-made websites. Before downloading anything, always take a moment to verify the project's reputation and check its user base. Most reputable projects offer clear, step-by-step guides and installation instructions to help you get started smoothly. Once you've chosen a trusted project, the next step involves downloading the custom game client and any associated server files. It's crucial to follow the provided installation guide meticulously, as each project can have unique setup requirements. Double-check that your computer meets any specific software prerequisites, such as particular versions of NET framework or Visual C++ redistributables. Some setups might even require specific operating system configurations for optimal performance. With everything installed, you can now launch your custom client and connect to the community-run server. Prepare to explore classic maps, games, and social features that define the Roblox experience from nearly 2 decades ago. Engage with other players who share your passion for this vintage era. Remember, these are fan-made recreations, so while they offer a fantastic nostalgic trip, they might have certain limitations compared to the original.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.